Annie thought that no one will read his diary because she was only 13 years of age, and she wanted to write the diary as she has no real friend. She wanted to lighten her burden as she was going through a strong feeling. Yes, she doesn't have good friends. In spite of that, she is having parents, family members, but they were not patient. They were not able to share her feeling. That's why she thought about writing diary. She thought a diary is just like a dear and sincere friend. She thought about that diary is just a dear, a true and sincere friend where she could express her own heart feeling. As she did not have such friend to share with this, so she thought about writing her diary. Look at the word that she said, that paper are more patient. Why? At the paper and people. Paper is more patient than people. At the contrast, a beautiful contrast. Look at the experience. Just imagine that the girl who is only 13 years of age has that much experience that she was feeling that she that her diary won't be read by the people. So she planned to write the diary. So on a diary she could express her heart desire. Although she had a good friend, family, a number of head, but she could not talk to them. So in the diary she found a real friend. She called the friend. She gave the diary a name Kitty. Annie, before writing the diary, she felt that a brief introduction is important to write about the diary. So she simply state the she does not simply state the facts. She thinks that people will not understand her emotion and her what she notices. She understands and notices that people will not understand her feeling. So she decided to write a diary. She provides a brief sketch about her parents, about her life in her diary. So this is what Annie was right. Annie was was right. She does not have any idea to translate different language of the world. Many films have been made on the basis of this meaning. Her writings became the world most widely accepted and read. So, Annie's diary is different from journals and other people's diary. Her diary does not contain simple facts. It was only written in Dutch. Written in Dutch language. It is not written in English. Later on it is translated. She treated as a friend, and even she gives her diary a name, that is Kitty. That is Kitty. Now come to some important points. Right? What makes writing diary a strange experience for Annie Frank? Annie thinks that neither she herself nor anybody else will be interested in reading the idea of a 13 years girl. Apart from this, she has never written
Thank you, sir.
anyone earlier. It also makes her to think to write a diary. Why does Annie wants to keep the diary? She wants to keep a diary as a friend because she was in opinion that nobody will understand his feeling. Nobody will understand her feeling and emotion. And it is only the paper. It is only the paper she could write about her feeling, about her emotion, about her pain and suffering. So, she believed that paper has more patience than anything else. It means that the diary could provide or prove to be a very useful medium for her story written in diary. She provides a brief sketch about the life in it. Then who is Mr. K? Who is Mr. K? Mr. K used to teach math to Annie. She was, as a student, Annie was very talkative. She used to talk a lot. She used to talk too much in the class. So Mr. Keesing was annoyed with her. Mr. Keesing asked Annie to do extra homework to punish because she used to talk too much. As she was talkative. She was even given an essay to write on Chatterbox. Mr. Keesing was a strict teacher, and Annie used to talk too much in her class. There were other teachers also but they were not as strict as the mathematics teacher. What made Mr. Keesing to allow Annie to talk in the class? Mr. Kesey asked Annie to write the essay on quack, 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 said the Mr. Chatterbox. Annie wrote it with the help of her friend. She wrote how the swan had in the duckling to the death for talking too much. It was a joke for Mr. Keesing, and he took it very well and allowed Annie to talk in the classroom. Writing in diary, Annie feels that it is a really a strange experience, especially for a 13 years old girl who has never written anything before. Moreover, she thinks that she or anyone else will be not interested to read her diary. Now, how did she respond to the extra homework? The extra homework that she was given. She was asked to write an essay on a chatterbox, which was a very dull subject. But Annie made the topic interesting and amusing. She made the topic interesting